Hey, groovy guys and gals and cats, if you're around anywhere. It's Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And this time we're demonstrating a Learjet A-226 FM tuner and A-Track unit, all in one A-Track unit for a car, meant to drive speakers directly. So this is just a repair to original stock. Unit has very little, if any, use at all. It might have been NOS. So it just needed what an A-Track usually needs that are sitting around for 40 years without being used. First, let's turn the radio on. Kind of neat there.
Still living with
All right, A-Track.
Searches through, estimate, I'm never coming back home. I have to
Hey, pull the tape out and the radio comes back. And the tape not being nearly as loud as the radio, that's just part of the design that I can't do anything about it in its original state. So that's what we got as it came from the factory, pretty much. And I'm Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio over here. To reach me for service, you can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. It is appreciated if you visit my website first, which is in the description below, and get an idea of my prices and options and all that, and get a work order printed up before you call. But you're okay to call too, just for fun. And this unit is for it's for Bill S. in Willows, California. Thank you so much, Bill. You sent me a lot of business, sir. And so with that, I'm out of here, and see you guys next time.